Higsfield is one of the most powerful AI platforms available right now. And once you truly understand how to use it, you can create content faster than you probably ever thought possible. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to use Higsfield like a pro, from choosing the right AI models, to generating ultra-realistic images, to creating cinematic AI videos that look like they were shot on a $200,000 professional camera setup. I've been using this platform heavily, and I can confidently say that once you understand how Higsfield actually works, you'll be able to create content faster and better than almost any other AI tool on the market right now. So if you want to level up your AI images, AI videos, and overall content workflow, make sure you watch this video till the end. When you first log into Higsfield, you'll notice that the platform is divided into three main sections: Image, Video, Apps. Each of these sections has a very specific purpose. The image section is where you generate still visuals. The video section is where you animate those visuals or generate videos from scratch. And the app section contains specialized tools that enhance and multiply your workflow. Things like creating multiple camera angles, improving skin realism, or rebuilding shots from new perspectives. Understanding which section to use and when is the key to not wasting credits and getting professional results. So let me break everything down step by step. Click on Image at the top of the page. This opens the image generation workspace, and this is where most beginners make their biggest mistakes. Higsfield gives you access to some of the best AI image models in the industry, and each model is built for a different purpose. If you choose the wrong model, you'll waste credits generating images that don't match your vision. Here, how to choose the right one. Nano Banana Pro Rut best for ultra-realistic images. Higsfield Soul used specifically for character-based images and consistent faces. So before you even write a prompt, ask yourself, what kind of image do I need? That decision alone determines which model you should use. Once you've selected your model, it's time to write your prompt. If you struggle with prompts, use this simple formula: subject plus action plus environment plus lighting plus camera angle. For example, instead of writing something basic like a man walking in a forest, you write something like a rugged explorer with a weathered face and brown leather jacket carefully navigates through a dense, misty forest with towering pine trees. Golden sunlight filters through the canopy, creating dramatic shadows. The camera slowly tracks forward, following him from behind. The more specific you are, the better the output will be. After that, set your aspect ratio. Choose your quality: 1K, 2K, or 4K. Select how many variations you want. I usually generate 2 variations so I can pick the best one without wasting credits. Then click Generate. Once your image is generated, here, where Higsfield separates amateurs from professionals, go to the Apps tab. The 3 most important tools you need to know are Shots, Skin Enhancer, Angles. Shots app. Upload your image, and this tool generates 9 different camera angles from a single image. That means multiple professional shots, 0 regeneration, massive credit savings. This is perfect for video creation because you instantly get visual variety. Now let's move to the video section. You'll see 2 main options: text to video, image to video. For most professional use cases, image to video is better because you control the starting frame. Image to video. Upload your image. Choose your model. Higsfield gives you access to models like Kling 2.6, Google Veo 3.1, Sora 2. Each model has strengths. For realistic movement and natural audio, Veo 3.1 is an excellent choice. Since you already have an image, you only describe action, camera movement, audio. Example prompt: shallow depth of field handheld shot. Character walks forward cautiously through the forest, ambient forest sounds. Set the duration to 6 seconds to save credits and hit Generate. The result looks cinematic and controlled, exactly like a movie shot. As you create more content, organization matters. Click Assets Library. Everything you generate lives here. images, videos, projects. Create folders to stay organized and speed up your workflow. Compared to other platforms, Higsfield stands out because of features like Cinema Studio and character consistency, things other tools simply can't match. If you want to start creating professional-level AI images and videos today, check the link in the description and sign up for Higsfield. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, Rocket.